For a better future, a hopeful theme, but it's difficult to muster hope as we observe Holocaust Memorial Day in January 2025. It's 80 years since the liberation of Auschwitz-Birkenau. Hope in the face of Auschwitz can seem little more than an unfounded faith that the future will be an improvement on the past. The Nazi concentration camps have come to symbolise how anti-Semitism and prejudice led to an abyss which is hard to comprehend. Hard, yes, but perhaps not impossible, as we witness the dehumanisation of hundreds of thousands in Gaza and the sycophantic reporting on the rise of a white supremacist in the United States. There are undoubtedly grounds for pessimism, as we see hate, hostility and othering being instigated and inflamed in our politics and on social media. But it is a time like this that we need hope, a faith in the future more than ever. For a better future is a necessary theme this year as we try and energise and organise our better selves. One of the most influential of Welsh intellectuals, Raymond Williams, was himself a tank commander in the Normandy campaign in the Second World War and went on to Germany. And as he pointed out, there were the millions who perished in the Nazi camps, and there were also those who gave their lives to rid the world of those who built those camps. When we remember the images of Auschwitz or Srebrenica, we understand immediately that dehumanisation is an integral stage of genocide. It is when one life is deemed to have less worth than others by those who hold power and can command influence that genocide begins. And over the last year, we must add to those images the line after line of tiny shrouds, the patients burning alive in hospitals, families buried under buildings, the bombing of refugee camps and hospitals. We have witnessed nightly on our TV screens how the dehumanisation of the people of Gaza has led to atrocity on a scale which makes a better future feel like a distant hope and the mantra never again feel futile. Human Rights Watch have highlighted how we heard Israeli politicians and military commanders say that the people of Gaza should have no future. There must be no food, no water, because they were fighting human animals. The whole Palestinian people were equated to Hamas, an entire population dehumanised, but the UK government continued to arm Israel anyway. You talked about the importance of calling out genocide. I would like to pay tribute to all those Welsh citizens who have protested against that dehumanisation week after week in every part of Wales and here at the Senedd. They acted. Remembering the Holocaust and the genocides of recent years must lead us to act if we truly want to see that better dawn.